Let's take a look at the next problem statement. Find the managers with at least 3 direct reports and name them. So for this we will use employees table with a self join. Let's start. Select. So we'll use employees table twice. One, let's say we name it manager. Second one we'll call employees emp on emp dot reports to equals mgr dot employee id. Now what all do we need is one, we need manager name. So concatenate mgr dot last name as manager name, employee dot first name and last name as employee name. Let's use a group by and see the output. So we can see manager names and the respective employee names. Now let's convert this into a CTE. Let's call this reports. So what we need is manager name, and let's use group concat group by manager name, and let's use having clause use count this time employee name greater than or equal to 3. So we can see only one manager and the employee names. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series.